Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tea and Jugli. Hold your tea and let's start with our video. So in this video, we'll talk about Saurabh Joshi's wife Avantika Bhatt's rude, messed up behavior and bullying. So there is a person named Anisha Mishra जिसने अपने पेज पे वीडियो डाला and claim किया that Avantika Bhatt used to bully her in her school times. So in the reel, Anisha wrote, "They said karma is real. Look at your high school bullies now. Not really. Mine is getting married to Saurabh Joshi." And in caption she wrote, "Not everyone gets justice." And in comments, she also wrote कि you all can hate me for posting this and Saurabh Joshi fans can come at me too, but I don't fear nothing. If someone made me suffer no matter when it was, I have all the rights to at least talk and share about it. So in comments, people were asking about the whole story and she commented that, "Okay, so I was kinda scared to post this, but I guess I shouldn't be. That girl trolled me for being skinny in school, for not having straight hair like the others, and me coming straight from a small school to a big convent school. I hated even making eye contacts with her and her so-called cool gang group because they would bully me for being thin. She was skinny herself. It was so bad that I used to go home, lock myself in mandir room and question God every time. Why did you not make me normal like other kids? Why are my hair not straight?" And used to cry every afternoon coming back from school. One person wrote कि ब्रो स्कूल टाइम में किसको इतना दिमाग होता है. शी हरसेल्फ वॉज अ टीनेजर एट दैट टाइम एंड बच्चों से ऐसी गलतियाँ होती हैं. उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उनके एडल्ट बन जाने पर उनको डिफेम करो. व्हाट नॉनसेंस इज दिस. सो जो भी लोग इस कमेंट करने वाले पर्सन जैसा सोचते हैं, आई वॉन्ट टू टेल देम कि बुलिंग सिर्फ एक गलती नहीं होती है और वो बस बचपन में ही नहीं रह जाती है. उसका इम्पैक्ट आपको शेप करने लगता है. कभी कभी इस तरह की बुलिंग इंसान के बचपन को ट्रॉमेटिक बना देती है, जिसका इम्पैक्ट बड़े होने के बाद भी रह जाता है. कभी कभी वो बातें, वो ट्रॉमा ज़िंदगी भर रह जाती हैं. इंसान में सेल्फ डाउट आ जाता है और बहुत से लोग सह नहीं पाते हैं और कुछ गलत स्टेप्स ले लेते हैं. तो बुलिंग किसी भी उम्र में हो, वी कैन नॉट जस्टिफाई इट. एक और पर्सन ने लिखा, "हाउ द फक यू कुड बिलीव अ रैंडम गर्ल ऑन इंस्टा सेइंग शिट अबाउट सम अदर गर्ल एंड देन ऑल्सो जजिंग द वाइफ ऑफ सौरभ जोशी विदाउट नोइंग हर." जिसके रिप्लाई में शी सेड, "First of all, you don't have to believe me. I just posted what I was feeling at that time. I don't need to make up a bullying story. My whole class could easily come against me anyway. And my intention was never to pull another woman down. I just said what I felt. I spoke up even after knowing these people are way more powerful and got so many people with them. Only a dumb person would lie about something like that for clout, knowing what could come their way. Whatever I said came from my inner child, the part of me that still hasn't healed. I guess this is my way of putting it out there, not just for myself but for the thousands of kids who get bullied in school and some even end up taking really bad steps." Also, just to add, in her group there was this guy and he was kinda my relative. He wouldn't even talk to me in school, but at family functions he would act normal, so he didn't lose his reputation. Imagine going through all of that as a kid and then getting pointed at just for talking about it now. So I did some digging and found कि अवंतिका studied from निर्मला कॉन्वेंट स्कूल उत्तराखंड एंड अनीशा जिसको अवंतिका ने बुली किया वो 9th क्लास तक किसी और स्कूल में पढ़ी थी एंड देन शिफ्टेड टू द सेम स्कूल एज अवंतिका जहाँ पर शी वॉज बुलीड बाय हर. अनीशा मेड 2 more videos talking about it and clearing people's doubt. She said कि उसके ऊपर 1-2 जोक्स नहीं किए जाते थे बल्कि she went through horrible bullying. And they also made a song about her. She was mocked for her hair, her body, her braces. उसने एक इंसिडेंट शेयर किया जो आज भी अनीशा को कॉन्शियस कर देता है. So she was singing in front of more than 500 people. So अवंतिका और जो उसका ग्रुप था वो कॉन्स्टेंटली अनीशा की तरफ देखकर हंस रहे थे. At that time अनीशा was already nervous. She became more nervous and heartbroken that she wanted to go home and wanted to question what is wrong with herself. She said कि उस एज में जब आपके दिमाग में कुछ बैठ जाता है तो it follows you around your whole life. She became so conscious of her body that she started wearing 2 pajamas underneath also in summer. She did it everywhere she went, even in her early college days. She was also straightening her hair constantly. This is the proof of how low her confidence was. In the next video, she answered the question that why is she talking about this now. Anisha said कि उसने महीनों पहले भी एक वीडियो डाली थी इसी टॉपिक पर. उस टाइम अनीशा को भी नहीं पता था अवंतिका कहाँ है एंड उस वीडियो में उसने अवंतिका का नाम रिवील नहीं किया था. वो बोली थी कि अगर इस वीडियो पर 10K लाइक्स आ जाते हैं तो शी विल रिवील द नेम ऑफ हर हाई स्कूल बुली. बट उसको उस टाइम पे 10K लाइक्स नहीं मिले थे तो उसने नाम रिवील नहीं किया था एंड शी फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट. बट आफ्टर दैट अनीशा वॉज सीइंग अवंतिका's face everywhere online and it triggered her. It reminded her of everything, so she spoke about it. And she said कि she will speak when she will feel triggered and चाहे लोग अप्रूव करें या ना करें. अनीशा ने एक स्टोरी भी डाला था जिसमें she wrote, "There was a boy in our class who had some cognitive difficulties She and her cool gang used to bully him a lot. I always felt bad for him. No one said anything to them because he sometimes had behavior problem. They had no empathy at all. He had this problem where if he started laughing, he couldn't stop. They would do strange things just to make him laugh on purpose. He also had temper issues and they would provoke him for fun until he got angry and started shouting. He sat alone in the front because the teachers made him sit separately, but those people still didn't care. They had no empathy and just for their own amusement, they made him suffer and then laughed about it together. अनीशा से किसी ने पूछा था, Is it really true that you were bullied by सौरभ जोशी wife? एंड रिप्लाई में अनीशा ने एक स्क्रीनशॉट अटैच किया था उसके फ्रेंड का, जहाँ पर उसने भी बताया कि उसको भी बुली किया गया था इन नर्सरी क्लास बाय द सेम पर्सन। और तब तो किसी को बुली का मतलब भी पता नहीं हुआ करता था। उसके बाद उसने ये लिखा, येस इट इज़ ट्रू एंड आई वॉज नॉट दी ओनली वन। इसका मतलब ये है कि अनीशा ही अकेली इंसान नहीं थी जिसको अवंतिका ने बुली किया था। अनीशा के अलावा भी बहुत लोग होंगे जिसको अवंतिका ने बुली किया होगा। अगर अवंतिका अभी भी ऐसी है तो इट इज़ रियली मेस्ड अप एंड शी नीड्स टू लर्न। किसी को भी बुली करना आपको कूल नहीं बनाता और जिसको बुली किया जाता है उसके लिए ऐसी मेमोरी बन जाती है जिसको वो कभी भी भुला नहीं पाता। सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो एंड आप कमेंट्स में बताना कि आप लोग क्या सोचते हो इस बारे में। एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई वीडियोज़ डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए बाय।